सो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे यूपी कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स. ओके, इन शॉर्ट वी से उत्तर प्रदेश कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स. ओके, तो पीसीआर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट ये होता है. सो दिस commission is established in all the state, okay, except two newly created, that is Ladakh and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, so now we will get into the state specific. So यूपी के बारे में ही हम बात स्पेसिफिकली करेंगे. तो यूपी कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स जो कि इस्टेब्लिश हुआ आपका सेक्शन 17 क्लॉज 1 ऑफ द कमीशन ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट एक्ट 2005 के अंडर में. ओके, एंड दिस वाज constituted to provide free and compulsory education to children of the state from the age 6 to 14 of year, and they have main vision to eradicate child labor and formulate policy for the welfare of the child. And they have the huge power, that is suo motu cognizance. They can take a cognizance of any matter. Suo motu means anything which is published in paper, anything which they get in the form of letter, or victim may be complained, or on the behalf of victim other if they are complaining, they have the power to take action. Okay, so they also recommend appropriate remedial measures and initiate proceeding in any such case where the victim is not getting justice. Okay, so have the power, and they have the power to take action, spread awareness among various stakeholder and general public. So now we will see composition. Okay, so we will read about composition. So they have only one chairperson and 6 member. Okay, so the chairperson must be an eminent person who has done outstanding work for protection of welfare of children's. Okay, or for promoting welfare of the children's. Okay, and the member के बारे में बात करते हैं. जो 6 मेंबर हैं वो आपके कहाँ से बिलोंग कर सकते हैं, जो कि एजुकेशन के फील्ड में अच्छे हैं, हेल्थ केयर, चाइल्ड वेलफेयर, ओके, डेवलपमेंट, इन सबसे रिलेटेड हो तो वो जो है मेंबर बनने के योग्य हैं. और द पर्सन हु इज़ हैविंग अ जुवेनाइल जस्टिस और केयर ऑफ निग्लेक्टेड और मार्जिनलाइज्ड चिल्ड्रन और चिल्ड्रन विद डिसेबिलिटी, एलिमिनेशन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन लेबर और चिल्ड्रंस इन डिस्ट्रेस, चाइल्ड साइकोलॉजी और सोशियोलॉजी, रॉ रिलेटिंग टू चिल्ड्रन, इन सब के अगर वो फॉलो कर रहा है कोई एक, तो वो एक मेंबर बन सकता है. एंड दे हैव the opportunity to get reappointed. Okay, and among 6 members there must be 2 women also. Okay, and in the case of protection of child rights, the chairperson also get a chance of reappointment. Okay, and so they are appointed by the state government, and they have a tenure of 365 means they are appointed for the term of 3 years or 65, whichever is earlier, and they can be reappointed only. They get this chance, you can say they get this chance only for the 2 terms, and the member also get this chance to become a member of the protection of child rights for the 2 terms, and they also have a tenure of 3 year or the 60 year, whichever age they get earlier. Okay, so how they resign? They can resign by giving a resignation to the state government. Okay, now you can see what are their functions. Okay, I'm just scrolling down. तो फंक्शन उसका क्या होता है? उसका फंक्शन आपका एग्जामिन करना, रिव्यू करना, सेफ गार्ड जो है उसको लॉ से जो मिला है फॉर द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स, एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव द फंक्शन टू रिकमेंड मेजर फॉर देयर इफेक्टिव इम्प्लीमेंटेशन. दे ऑल्सो हैव टू मेक अ रिपोर्ट, एनुअल रिपोर्ट upon working of their they have to make annual report upon their working related to protection of child rights to the state government. Okay, they have a function of inquiry if any violation have happened and recommend initiation of proceeding, as we have done earlier. They also have the power to examine all factors that inhibit enjoyment of children's right affected by terrorism, communal violence, riots, natural disaster, domestic violence, HIV/AIDS, trafficking, maltreatment, torture, exploitation, pornography, prostitution, and recommend appropriate remedial measures. They also have the function of to study the treaties and international instruments, undertaken periodic review of existing policies, program and other activities of children rights and make recommendation of their effective implementation in children best interest, and they also have the function to do research in the field of child rights. Okay, so who is the current chairman of Uttar Pradesh protection of child right? Okay, who? The answer is Devendra Sharma. ओके, सो याद रखिएगा। चलिए यहीं तक ख़त्म करते हैं, अब इसके आगे हम अगले पार्ट में देखेंगे। थैंक यू, और लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें, इससे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगी। ओके, थैंक यू।